Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good day, good afternoon. Lovely, can you show your face? I'm busy cleaning my house. Good afternoon, everybody. Sister Kola. My husband, what did they do for them? Run. Come on. Hey, don't red. Afternoon, my love. Onegbe. I want for if I can go walk. I did my bunk. I don't feel shout. How is all of you invite Murphy one eye? Mocking. See it when you dey in mouth. You dey abroad. You don't feel tell you both say make dem help you put fake teeth, make dem comot that one. Afternoon, my sister. You don't feel tell Oyibo. Oh, maybe that time they sleep. And they work small, I will relax, eat, work small, I will relax. Happy weekend, and eat. Yeah. That is it. Happy weekend to you all. I beg. But I help Uyumoki share a live video. I tell Uyumoki, say, share your live video by yourself. Like your live video by yourself. And watch your live video by yourself. So you don't have a viewer now. Hey, when you were busy talking about lovely, you have a lot of viewers. AB, one love, everybody one love. When you put my name on your wall, you have a lot of viewers. Because me, I be what do they call that bed that I for Benin that they call it Enibokun. Even for our place that they call it Enibokun. Leke. Happy weekend to you. So primary school dropout, secondary school dropout, Monfiuji. Now you can't even date delinquent pass. You they call people primary school dropout. You are so local. Okay, look at you. You based in abroad. The money the government gave to you. Did you know how that money came? People donate that money. Most of those money you are using, the people that pay tithes. Through those people that is working, they put money in those money that they are giving you, the one you are taking in Germany. If Germany stop that money today, did you know that you will hungry? Why do you love evil? I was in your war. People that they talk to me, even when I they write, they give Uyumofi. Uyumofi, they say, lovely, I too like lovely for one thing. Some people they see the food themselves. They say, me I go they follow them, they write comment. Now Uji, now me we can face ourselves. Uji. Also, Uji, come, I don't really know what you want to. Okay, see today afternoon now. What happened just now? Everybody when they there eat. You will see say most of those food now when they cook today. People when eat that place today eat that food. Some of them when you leave children for house, you'll see mothers. Those food when they share today now, some mothers when they there, they don't go eat that food. They'll go find a long bar, put on, carry and go house, go give their mother. Okay, why men know they sell pure water? The men will be say they marry all those women put for house. Why they know they sell pure water? Yes. Have you ever seen a man in Edo State or wherever hawking pure water? They are sleeping, slumbering. But the women, they are all busy. Why? I won't say all Africa country because I always see my Nigeria people. Because sometimes when you talk, they say, yeah, it's Benin now, it's Edo State now. But the people, our brother is helping there. They are not from Edo State alone. Yes. It's all over Nigeria. You can see the Igbo, the Yoruba, the Hausa, all those states. Yeah, those people that live in Edo State there, that live in Benin. You there abroad, month go end. Uji moki one eye, month go end. They go give you money. If na 250 euro, neither they give you as a single man, or 300 euro, neither they give you as a single man. You know, kukuma, your papa or your people, you don't even care. Okay, chop it alone. Okay, where do you think that money is coming from? Is it not kind people that have kind hearts, people that feel for people that feel for human beings? They also give those money to government. You see some house, you people, you live in Germany there. Most of those houses, the owner of those houses, they are all dead. They give those houses, they give it to how would I call it, to community commune, and they give it out to people like you. See, person when I don't know why some men they are so stupid. There is a man that called on your program just now. I said, let me listen to what this guy is going to say. Man, guy, you should get a life. Why do you guys always poke nose on another person's problem? So, as matured as you are, when you see some men, that is why sometimes I don't believe age. Some people say, yeah, the person now, he grown now. I don't believe age. I love to stay with guy 15 years up to 30 years. I can stay with them. They can talk sense. You see all those men, 45 years, 48 years, 70 years, 50 years, they are all brain leaking. Their brain, they leak. Like the guy that put opinion in your live video just now. Because the voice of that guy make me to know that guy, he's an advanced man. Okay, so you people, you don't know how help people. You don't know how it work. There is some people, there is some people, okay, look at this Yoruba guy that always help people on the street also. I follow that guy program every day by day. This guy go out with a lot of money. When he see a counselor, he don't have to drop that money on that woman alone. No. When he see a plantain roaster, you don't have to keep that plantain, you don't have to keep that money, give that all the money to the plantain roaster alone. No. When you see a pure water seller, the leaf seller, the people that this guy always help, he don't give it to one person alone. Maybe out of that money can give some of them 20,000, 5,000, depends. The money that came from his heart, because he's not going to give that money to one person alone. Because most people out there in Nigeria, people, they are very suffering. They are suffering because you can't give that money to one person alone. It's not going to be possible. Like me, for example, maybe the day I will go to Nigeria, if I want to help, I can come out with 200,000. I can come out with 100,000. You don't expect me to give that 100,000 out to one person. No, because people, they are suffering. Like the one Obaseki did the other time, the guy that police people killed. He give 10 million naira to a family when some people they are in the hospital sick, lying. There is no money to just register, and there is no money to buy drugs. There is some people in Nigeria today, they just want 500 naira can solve their problem. Even 1,000 naira can solve their problem. Okay, what do you expect this guy to do? Look at the way this guy, he just put in comment. I said, this man, are you so foolish, or are you so stupid? So you don't know live video that you will put your opinion. Oh, are you going to tell me that there is no live video on Facebook? You went to Mofi Uji. Just so, let me tell you, viewers, you guys, you don't know Mofi Uji. One day, Mofi Uji will still come and apologize to our brothers. The way he did to me, the way he did to my fellow women that he poured insults on. Mofi Uji, he apologized to them. That all those Benin women, they are like this. All those Edo State women, they are like this. But today, if they apologize to everybody, that is why I said to him that forgiveness is a sin. I don't know you, you don't know me. If I want to have a brother, not kind of person like you. No. I know my brother. I know my blood brother. When you see them, you say, wow, are those guys, are they your brother? I know my brother, not people like you. Not people like you. You are just so foolish for my liking. I don't like it. You are so stupid. You are first class stupid man that I've never seen in my life. I don't know what is pissing you up. Yeah. Why you just drinking paracetamol in another man's headache? Why are you just pissing yourself up? Let me tell you, I putting comments on your live video. Those people, they are not normal. They're just like you. Because a reasonable human being should know what that guy is doing. Okay, look at what this guy said. Yeah, if they should give him money, and the other day he was with one woman, and the second day I was in the live video, he said to the woman that she's not only one that is going to help. Yeah, because he based in abroad, he know how the white people help people that need things. Like where we are now. If you are in the party, wherever you are, maybe in occasion where white people is, when they give you something, when you are chewing it, you still have in your mouth. It don't come to you and say take, because you have already. But if now we be Africa, the one when they chew when they inside your mouth, you never finish. You say, well, bro, sister, give me, come carry John this one. No, white people don't do like that. If white people now, they serve for occasion, say that they give you coffee whatsoever, maybe minerals, drink whatsoever, they serve in their occasion. And when your glass, when you still have mineral, whatever in your glass, they will add on it until you finish the one you have in your glass. But I wish it's Nigeria. Hey, brother, come put that now. My own don't finish. The next one we go finish. They share to everybody. They give it to everybody. They want everybody to taste that little gift, that little offer they gave out. They want everybody to test it. Yes. You will see Nigeria now. If na occasion they did now, they will carry back go occasion. Nigeria sometimes, I'm so pissed up. They told me that they come life again, I beg. I feel come out for another Africa country, not be Nigeria again. Ha! They want to say Nigeria is the lion of Africa. I see you people, I don't want to pour insult on Nigeria citizens because most of them, they are innocent. They don't really know what we are talking about. Yes. They don't know what we are talking about. You see, when you go to occasion sometimes, you see some women, they come to occasion with big bag. You see some people, they are not eating. You see some women, they have in their hand, they have in their mouth, they have inside their bag, all over their body is take away, and there is some people sitting down. I saw that in year back. I was sitting. Look at them. Look at the way they drag food. I asked myself, why is it that you people you have, there's some people they don't have? You are still taking. You don't even know your people around you. You don't even see them if they eat or not. You don't see if they eat or not. Like me, I don't too much eat in occasion. When the time I was in Italy, I don't eat in occasion because I know how to cook very well. No matter how that food we have taste, I don't eat outside because where I'm from, the city where I'm from, we don't eat outside because we forbid one thing people used to cook. That is why when you see us, people say, ah, lovely, why you don't eat outside? Because we don't eat outside. There is something we forbid. We forbid that thing in our village. Any house, anybody that came from that village, any house that person live, or any house he visit, he cannot even drink water, talk less to eat. You see some people all the time, hey, this stupid guy is coming out. He's saying that I cannot do it alone. Do you know the time you came out to insult Lovely, to insult Ishan, to insult the Igbo, the Agba, you say you can't do it alone, that they should help you. You call everybody around. I say, oh, what are you saying? You want me to start with your stupidity? You think Lovely, Barrister Lovely brain they rough? I know what I need, and I know people when they follow. See the boy now when he come, very matured man. Maybe that man I don't even get gray hair for inside. He process, he armpit, he eyebrow everywhere. Even the hair when he inside nyash. There is some man. He said you don't stay for abroad for how many years? So you live in abroad. You live in abroad for how many years? You don't know how the white people give something. Yes. When white people give you something, if you don't want it, take it back to them. They will give it to someone else. Yes. That thing happened to me year back. They gave me something. I don't like it. I give it to someone that close to me. The man called me. He walked down to where I sit down. He called me. He said, "Come." I go with him. I don't know which I want to speak the English. Me, I not gonna go bad my mouth. He said, "Yeah, why do you give that thing out?" I said, "Oh yeah, I don't really like it." He said, "Next time, don't give it out. You bring it here because people need it also." Okay, I said, "Okay, I'm sorry." Then I said to him, "Please don't give it to me next time. I don't like it." He said, "Yeah, you have to say that because people they need that also." Okay, I said, "Okay, I'm sorry." You see, I learned something there. See people today now that they eat rice. All those women when they hug pure water. I wish they are married. They are happy in their married home, or their husband is a serious man, or their marriage is a responsible marriage home. Do you think you will see a very beautiful lady hawking hot water in the street? Like me now, me I don't even get power self because I saw they be like a Ajabo pikin. Because we are for grow, we don't suffer bet. We farm. Not be that farm where they use all the body to do. Anyone when you feel do and go house. And also for what they say, I not see food chop na carry on na this thing. No. But you have to pity. Even when I was growing up, we give people around us that time, we give them something. You give people, if you have things, you give it to your neighbor. Eh? You go see now, some people there now, they don't use that thing again. Even instead of them to give it to their neighbor, they go sell her. Eh? They go sell her. Then they go sell and finish. They go the 5 person will go give them free. See that food when this guy shared this afternoon now. They say, "Ove lolo no to huge. Onove lolo oto huge." Not be all those one where this bastardo. He go open live there. They say, lovely now they did this, lovely now they do that. You know how many language they in my head? You know how many language? You that time they curse people. Now you will be. How Igbo woman go to marry Binima? Not be Asha will do this like that. A big Igbo woman, yes. Where he come on for Igbo come. I know they sort all Igbo. Now in mama now they sort for because mama why don't even sort your master because your man don't even did the one when you did. So understand. See now you know they work. He tell you say not they work now work now work. Even me say if I see that kind of work I go even work and sell. May I block you? I don't need people like you for my work. Who are they block so? Yeah, look and wait. One man, my church man say, the work way they do, blah blah blah. It not concern now because you know waiting. Sometimes when people say me as I they talk, that they were just like they insult me, they insult Ivie. You know they give my parents food. You know, I don't know why una no get pity now because if no be, you see some people now when they put opinion for some matter. If no be say, now that's Lakbatuza. Now Lakbatuza now they call her. When be say God can't open that road, He can't help many people enter abroad. Now, to even do visa self, to even do passport self, if they had. Yes, if they had. I don't understand. Maybe they tell ourselves truth. Truth too good. Everybody they say, okay, you there abroad now. More to go in. You will be more future. They talk people say more to go in. They go give them money. What of you? You they work. You are a sickler. I don't see any way that where you are, the Germany where you base, they will give you money because you be sickler. They don't let sickler work. You be sickler. Now they not gonna fit give you work. Anytime when Uji talk say he they work, Uji they lie because Uji na sickler. Uji is a sick man. If you sick for abroad, say you sick, Uji cannot. Everybody can work. Everybody when they sick as long they do this, they can work. But Uji cannot work. If they Uji paper say Uji na sickler. See titi roti, he eye roti, he neck bend, he nose bend. How you want to give that one work? How you want to give that one work? If you not so what? Now he make even good self they do one. They say nowhere where bad person no day. I'm a Johnny Beje. Now I make one you go reach Nigeria. Then they sleep in the night, they say we should call the beat them. Now the next time when you call they come, or you call bring word of God come. Now the kind people like Una, now I make, they call the see native doctor, they call the see pastor. Yes. So native doctor went there outside there, that they help people. Now so my brother, nobody, they are just wasting their time. What happened this afternoon? Most people, they were there. I was also there. Do you guys see a lot of women that hug pure water? Do you know how many liter of juice, Coke, and water? Do you know those people? Those people when time come, they will sick because they are using their head, their neck. When you sleep, sometimes maybe when you sleep off your neck, sometimes. That off your neck you sleep sometimes, and it will take you 7 days to heal. 7 days. 7 days. Look at all of them just now. They are very happy. I love it so much. Okay, you see that pure water, all of them bring just now, pure water, everything. What will happen? This guy will give them money. He will tell them to go home. You see? You say, come and meet me tomorrow. The money when they carry come. The money when they carry come. Like for example, if I should go to Africa tomorrow, I want to help. If I have 100,000, if I want to give that 100,000 to people, I can give that 100,000 to 100 people. I can make it 10 naira, 20 naira. I am not going to give it to one person alone. Okay, there is some people. You see some people now, some people they'll say what they pay you, go say na leg, now they pay you. Another pikin there, another newborn baby there, they'll say what they do this newborn baby. They will say na blood, now they want to give this newborn baby. The newborn baby when need blood, with the person when leg they pay. Which one now want attend to first? Not be the newborn baby when be say you don't get blood, you go first give that newborn baby blood. Then before you go treat that leg don't go just the roti. They will first they treat her, but that new baby when they born, anybody that need blood, in life risk past person when leg they pay. No matter how you like me, they want cut that leg. Even if say you want cut person leg, they must treat that leg first before they go cut that. Oh, cut her come. Say they want to cut her the way they cut cow leg. No. They're not just cut her, they must treat her first. If you see white people now, even if white people want to cut that leg or that hand, they must do echographer put. Not the medicine when they go run test. Not the medicine when they go use for the leg. Whether it go feel healer or they go cut her. But if now they do that, the person when leg they pay, he can't leave the person. He can't go save person when he need blood. Person when is short of blood. With person when leg they pay. Who shall now not say he had risk pass? Not be person when he short of blood. Person when short of blood now. Maybe 24 hours now. You not see that blood break on. You go die. Even 3 hours self. But person when leg they pay. Even 24 hours. You go sit there. They will use pay healer. They give one. You go they drink pay healer put. See what this man they talk. Just and tell say, I don't know why not the jealousy. If they talk, lovely, if they jump. If they jump. Me, mama last born, if they UK, mama last born, they UK. Mama last born, if they UK. My brother and sister, when they marry, they are well comfortable. They don't there for beneath the rope and down. No, they are well comfortable. They don't they rope and down for this thing, they hop pure water. Okay, those women when they hop pure water now. Not be person be their husband. So, as I don't be like, Cecilia this so. When when be say something touch me, I will say, I'll say, ow. If mosquito fly, I'll say, ow. If my pikin say, mommy, come over here, mommy. I say, what is it? I'll say, mommy, please, something is there. I'll say, oh my God. Oh. I go the run. My children go the run. Now I'll consider one man will come marry me. He'll come marry gold. When you come marry gold finish, you'll come use me call Toto Kento. Hey! Oh! When they make me vex. When they make marriage tire people, man. Hey! Ask me just, I know say, they say if this is fall for up, you know see who praise her. you go praise yourself, lizard. As me just be so, as that our sister talk, when you no say one of Germany. When me one must say now, one man go pay my bride price for my pa house. They go carry me go put for inside pit toilet. And then I go carry water when they run a piene. And they come on, go my house. My pa say, come on for my time. My pa say, you come on for this house. Now so, your pa will say, come on for your papa house. I will say, Papa, come on for your papa house. Me, I don't go stay because me here, as you see me so, if I do any small thing, it will be like, say, what the old God they told me. I don't know. But I was not born with a golden spoon, but I was born with a silver spoon. Yes. I'm okay. I don't suffer one day. Hungry don't beat me one day. Since I grow this like this, people will say, since when their papa and their mama born them, now grand night they sleep. They use mass sleep. Our house, they get bed will be like hostel bed. I don't fair use and make live video. Get bed for all the old room. I don't suffer one day to be frank and sincere. Yes, even people will be say they will know me. They'll say, yeah, this woman are true, she they talk. I don't suffer. But my papa not be that gote, my mama not be that gote, but they are comfortable. Una don't carry Nigerian men. Una just carry Nigeria women. Una don't use their. If una not they marry again, I don't even know. So they'll say everywhere is single mother. Why everywhere not go be single mother? Now every woman go tolerate no sense. Me one now. When armpit they smell, I not just like at all. The time when I did Nigeria at that time, Mama, they come for market. Mama, they train on the market. Body spray everything. They buy it for me. I beg. I never hear say armpit. Now people are the hear say the armpit they smell. Me don't love here. Me no mama beer say. Oh mama beer no say. You don't know where. If I can't sleep, my husband armpit go they smell. My armpit go they smell. Man, they quit that marriage. I don't go. They do my own. They go. Ha. Man, when they use marriage tire person, don't see women with hot water, cold water, pure water. But when I don't use less women life, all those lazy men, you people should go back to village and farm. When I go village, go farm. When I go village, go farm. Good afternoon. See women, fair woman. When I go papa house. As I come be now, one man come call me, come and pass say, I want marry lovely. You come marry me, finish. You come use me, come turn to your rag. Now lie, me. You don't use me turn to your rag. If they do something, I'll look. But the day when I will leave you, I will give you VIP treatment, frustration. Why you Nigeria? Nothing way Nigeria, some Nigeria people they do for them way they sweet. Ah, the one way you no come even get. Now they come go pass. See my way they live when they work for oil company now. You go get 2 children. He get house, he get car. They want to they say, no, they laugh them. No, I know they laugh them. I know they mock them. Useless man, don't come marry me for my pa house. That man, that area won't go there. The landlord go give us quick notice. It go better, it go better. You go born the first pikin. They'll say the first pikin is a sick pasoko. Pasoko is too much of gari. Too much gari. Nyam, no oje. Gari, salt. Salt says no good to drink gari. Me, I know they too like salt for gari. Salt not they too good for gari. Me, they like to drink gari like that. I go feel that taste of that gari. They go pack salt. Granite when they go pack put. Now still say salt. Now they still do granite. Gari pack salt. Granite pack salt. When they come pack and feed the children don't chop and they come make belly rickball. Go village. Since your children went some mother they train for them. I can't stay in village. My village is a remote control village. There is no light. The Benin where you people base. Do you see light there? You better stay village. Village, you'll see some women. If they dark, they'll suffer sit down. They use mood they see. Light in their village. So village they don't they take light. Yeah? Go marry woman, go pay bride price finish. You go carry come enter Bini, go put her for one room. Now don't start to the bomb. Pieke. If rat in the bomb for inside the room when una dey, una will be human being. Una see the bomb John rat. You will see some children before they go wake up. Rat don't eat their body finish. Pikin when he chop fufu, he chop fish. If mama no go bath am, make it go. I love women. Not women when they even see now. Say me I don't understand them. I don't understand to na again. Then when women be women, you'll see some women then, and some women they still they do until today. You'll see some women. In the evening, when their children don't finish, they will carry them come and they go bath them, just part that they rub their neck. The one where they say, hey, I don't go set pure water, sis. I don't waka. My neck, they pay me a bed. Make una go sleep. Or me una tell na papa come bath now. If the man doesn't not go bath there, the kid go sleep like that. Maybe they chop fish. They use the fish they rub there, but now you can see some rats, all those witch rats. They'll come eat picking leg. Tomorrow will come reach that place when rats eat. You know, go green here again. They will carry the pikin and go hospital. If you reach hospital, you know see money they not see money take card. Now there our brother will come run reach there. And they one working here. God just the director like breeze. Anywhere where person day, anywhere where person they suffer, God go just director go there, brother. My son, this person is the sick. Go heal him. My son, this person is the sick. So people think say now only medicine. Now they heal person. What of? You can't see the medicine, you don't see money to buy am. People some people do good past this one. Okay, some people do good past this one. What of the doctor? When he swear after he go school finish, he swear say he go dey save life. You go all look pikin go all dey carry eye dey come out. You go dey say, is your husband back? Your husband is not still back with the money. And if your husband is not back, you see this child, in 1 hour's time, you will lose this child. How can the daughter telling the mother that you will lose your child in 1 hour's time? Just drip when they want to give them. You drip. So now one time me say drip come there now, come reach 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. I see people talk and my people 100,000 naira. Una dey killing fly and chopping it, people. Killing fly and chopping it. Una say una no go sleep. When a guy no tell where mama pikin when say mama no go sleep, himself no go sleep. Mofi uji abi uji wetin uji one eye mofi uji many things I take open Facebook. You say I know the person's story. I know my story. You want me I can't use my mouth, can't tell you my story. You don't even know where I'm coming from. Let me tell you, my name is Lovely Oko Eikioya. My surname is Oko. I'm from Igbo. If you don't know, go and search me. You are telling your mama na Igbo. Go Igbo now, go search me. This is why they talk say, Lovely na Igwebe, Lovely na Uromi. I no be Edo State. I be only Igbo. I be only Igbo where you grow for Edo State. Make una dey hear if I dey speak Ishan. I be only Igbo. My name is Lovely Oko Eikioya. Yeah, you know me very well. You want to talk about me. Wait till you get to talk. Okay, if you can't say you want to talk about me, I can't use chest sit down. I can't say, Mofi, you don't know me, now so I be. I know now. They say before Jesus Christ, say men don't fair come. I don't leave you alone because you are so stupid. You don't know what you're supposed to do. The stupidness I see in you, your stupidness is first class stupidness. First class stupidness. Me, I don't hate you. I don't hate you. I don't hate you. I told you yourself, no say me, I don't hate you. I don't hate you, but what till you they do? If you not quick command, you all sleep one day. One of your body stroke will just kill them. The stroke they come small. Small. You go come. Wait till you want to talk. Why you not they put her for speaker? You know what made the person insult you. God bless you, my people. Flooring. God bless you. If they know they like to speak the truth. Truth? If they bitter for their mouth. Okay, today now, that thing today now. Even you will say, where are the husband of those people? Okay, you people now they saw single mother. Okay, those people when they there now, are they single mothers? Those women when food there today, one of the carry pure water. Hey! I will say I come marry for Nigeria. I for not even marry poor man. Even if say I marry, say my husband rich, later I come poor. I will say, your husband, may go village. I am go village, go the farm. If you see children when they born for village, they may robo. If you see children when they born for village, now then they go university. They go primary school, go secondary school, they'll go university. You see other children when they train for Bini, they not go school. Let me tell you people, the people that go to school now. You see Igbo land, Igbo people, they go school. So people will say, Ishan people, now if person they tell you, say, now Ishan be that one now. Ishan when not go school, say they talk. And I believe my when not go school, say they talk. Make I tell now, If you now see Ishan person where you go school, now don't fit talk, just say, there is no, it gets some way, place where you go speak English. Not be you they follow delinquent people they talk. You want to they crack your brain because they speak English for people when they delinquent. You see Igbo, you see inside Ishan. If you go now everybody when they Ishan, now they abroad. If you go Igbo, now everybody when they Igbo, now go abroad, then now they abroad. You see those people when they inside village, now then they go school, they'll go primary school, go secondary school, they'll come Edo State, come go school for Edo State. Come go school for Edo State. My junior brother, he go University of Benin. The one where he senior me, he go University of Ekpoma. My senior brother, he go University of Isuka. My senior sister, he go University of Suka. The one where they Benin, that one go University of Ibadan. Me, I can go University of Ekpoma. I not gree stay. I can't come on. No, now village, now those people go primary school, go secondary school. Yes. Now they go primary school, go secondary school. You see people nowadays, You see people, they'll say, when I was going to school then, after holiday, in my holiday, I go home, I work with my father and my mother in their farmland. When they are going back to school, they will fry gari, give them yam, give them everything, dry bitter leaf, everything they'll come give them. Okay, all those women, when they hot pure water now they want to pay primary school fees. They'll pay primary school fees. No, they're not going to fit. Go village, you not going to see where women they hot pure water. If you see women where they village, their street die. In the evening, they don't go farm. They say, I'm not going to feed farm. Some people where if you see women where in their village, if they come city, for occasion, they won't wear the best clothes. They don't want to make women wear their city intimidate them. Yes, village women, no rapper, no land is when they fight for their hand when they know they get. Village women no judge when they fight for their hand when they know they get. Village women no jewelry when they fight for their hand when they know they get. Because people when they sell and they come sell and they pay small money, they don't go keep on. You go say the person go invite village woman now, invite and come Benin, invite and go any city. The kind judge when you go where come, people go say, when I not say na village, now this woman for they come. Village people, they don't want intimidate or no intimidate them. They go use dress, they tire you. If now all this now they go wear, they'll go sew that, they'll go sew that blouse, put, come wear to wrapper. They'll go tie their head. Village people, they'll say the women they are village. I prefer the women that live in village. I prefer the ones that live in town. Una when they hop your water, come on Accra, una no go fit give una self. Abananya. If you reach village, women when they village, they use abananya, then they use a go farm. If they reach farm, they go cut everything. You see sets, then they get meaty of a gile. Now that they get that time, that they come follow mama buy cloth. Because mama they say Olantis that time with a Accra, banana, Nigeria was different clothes. If end of the year they will come, they will say they will come bring the money. They'll say now this one I they give them for meat yo. They'll go carry cloth. Mama will say, the one day you not like her, you go market. You go next tomorrow, mama will go back home. You go see village people now. No Hollandis where they not get. Anytime when they do meeting, different Hollandis, now they carry come out. They will say that they carry meeting, go someplace, so they'll come that time. They'll say there be 12 people. They'll call all that. They'll call something they pay small. Now so they sit there get her tie. Any score where they raid, now they sit there, they buy score. If you see village, if you see woman where they village, if they go city, you go carry a bus down. You go select cloth when you go wear. Because now city they go, because the city go, they make up for body. Thank you, my love. Yeah, they don't want truth. They stay up and down. Okay, I hear. Okay, I hear. Knows how they talk. I how they look comment since. I hear. Okay, this one dey that place just now. If they insult me, stay here. May you hear. You think say as if they insult me just now, me I go mind now because your brain they leak. I hear. No worry. No worry. It don't come. Yeah. Wait first. I don't block you down. May you dey run up down for your house. You will see that time. You will see that time they go dey run. They go come see the women. If they go this gile snake, they go hunt snake. They go hunt snake. They carry snake come market in the morning. Basically go full. They go sell out that they get meaty of snake. That they get meaty of gari. They go come do everything. If those women that they come city, now they go pack cloth. Where they go? They go city oh, they go city oh. All the old jewelries when village people no get, you know they. Now village people now then they buy jewelries. If you see village people for they'll say village. Some women when they city because they say that woman. I think not say now village they say. They'll say yes now village they say see the way when she take dress. Even people when they city self, they no dress rich like this. How na go dress? Those village women when they talk, their husband go cut land give them. You go say my wife they farm for year. The woman will suffer plant gari, you go plant corn, you go plant everything. When time come, you go suffer take am. They go school. If the pikin come for then village women, they know they drive their children come for school. You go write am for war. You go say, come. I don't want hear say you come and say you no pay school fees. Or we don't have to pay school fees. Now they even tell pikin say take money, go to pay school fees. All of that way they carry water up and down, they run up and down. Now they want see money to pay school fees. If they want talk, they say school where they village, the money cheap. The one where they city, the money there. Primary school na primary school, secondary school na secondary school, school na school, government school na government school. Government school na government school. I don't understand. Government school na government school. You go see the village women that they come. The best score. That time when one next score, Ray come. Now so that they send my senior sister. Now so they go they send that one. That one they go nicha. That one go they buy score. Now so they come. If you reach all the young people when they village, they must get that score. Then they do competition. Come see where village people, women, they do competition. Women, when they stay village, then they do competition. Even these guys for today go Nigeria. Me, I know they stay city. Now village straight. I'll go the farm from there. They react goat, react fowl, react those things. No. Una will sit down. Carry pure water. They run up and down. They run up and down. They run up and down. Una no one. Una husband self. You don't drink or go finish. Small snuff. You go come they sleep. Only waiting when they know how to do. Boom. Nigeria no want hear truth. Now that problem, now they worry Nigeria. Now no want hear truth. See that day now. Like people. They carry Ivie name. They carry Mama British name. They carry my name. They go, they use and they do comment. Uji, try just to lend brain for your brain. Because your brain, they leak. Now the guy block now. I've been another person I can't go block. I block the guy. Let me go down. Let me go down see. He got another one when I will block. I'll soon block that one. Don't worry. You know, be saying another person. Don't say if now tap me come out sometimes. I don't block the guy. I don't block him. Yes. You go see them. If pikin when they go university. If mama don already they say make we do this yo before pikin go come for school. Now because say work when not dey Nigeria. Now those people when they village when they can't go primary school, go secondary school, go university for for city. Now they go get work. And when God go send somebody come, we go repair Nigeria. You also see people when you go learn, get work. Go see. Not be say, work not in Nigeria, capital, you not learn. Furniture, you not learn. School, you not go. Okay, what of if Nigeria can't repair today? What will be your occupation? You see they run up and down. Yes. You see they run up and down. Person they help. This you no fee. You will come out that day when you want to insult people. You say you cannot do it alone. You cannot do it alone. Insult me. They use my name this afternoon. I say they use my name. They do live video. I was drawing your attention today. May you not see my talking and they draw your attention. True. I love the girl where he call they talk about single mother. I know that she want to draw your attention. Now make her carry that issue come. The one man want talk, he say, that the guy is fake. I say, bros, that thing where that guy they do, you fit do one. You will fit relocate yourself down to Nigeria. Go they help. You will fit. Why they go they not money? You not go give the person all your money. Why you go give all the one person 1 million? Why you go give one person 2 million? Why you go give one person? Even try say when they give one person 500. Give one person 150,000. He try. Yes, he try. So women then, they use 40,000 naira to start rice. They use 40,000 naira to start rice. They come they cook and small. Then they hawk with wheelbarrow. Before you know, they come build those small local vending house. If you see those women today now, they get hotel restaurants. Yes. They get restaurant and say, why you go give one person? Okay, let's do it this way. Let's reason it this way. The Yoruba guy that give money, this guy, he go to villages also. The other, I think this afternoon, I saw his video, is the one that he did before, where some lady cook corn. This man gave each of them money and gift, but he didn't carry the gift and give it to one person alone. And the money this guy the money this guy came out with every day, he don't give that money to one person. He share it around. That is how to give. You don't give somebody, just give some people that know, some people that read Bible, some people that know Bible. They say if you have something, give it to people around you. Don't give it to one person. You have neighbor. You can share it to the rest neighbor. Don't give it to one person. Don't say that this one is my particular friend. This one is my particular this. I want to give all to this person. You don't know if tomorrow comes. You don't know if the person will be there for you. But those people you don't care of, those people, they will be there for you. That is why when you have something, you don't need to give it to one person alone. You have to give it to other people. Yeah, that is how when you give something to one person, you are not helping. They use it to make parable that afternoon, my love. They use it to make parable that if one person rich in a community, that community they still live in poor. If one person when rich, if they live for one community, that community if they still poor. Now you see some people will be say they get sense that year. Now they be senior, they go help all their brother and sister. So that the work no go too much for her. You will see the one where you won't be the breadwinner of the house. Whether not the breadwinner, be the breadwinner. I don't know. You will see them. They will call carry car come. Or if they come, all the brother will call, they will help and wash car. All the sister will call, they help and they wash car. By the time we be say money don't go, you will call John, your brother for village. Even when they write car, they come that time. If na small soup, people they follow the manager. But that time when you get that money, if he help your brother and sister, when you don't finish or when something happen to his office, maybe then he don't carry brother go city that time, brother learn work or sister learn work, you open for them. Maybe if you want go city, sister will say, bros, brother will say, bros, no go city now. Come, maybe we arrange something for you. But you want not let you be the breadwinner of the family. By the time you know the poverty that your father and your mother take you out of poverty. Yes, your father and your mother, they take you out of poverty so that you will work and you will go to school, you will work, so that you will use it to help your junior one. No, you were doing, I'm the breadwinner. When time comes, you will jump then in that same poverty that your father and your mother was trying to take you out that time, because you want to be a breadwinner. By the time you know, you go back to poverty. That is when you have something, you don't give it to one person alone. Share it to people around you. So that when tomorrow comes, those people will still share for people around them. That is what this guy is doing. All those things that you people you are seeing today, when we are talking, they say, my lovely wants make Osage friend. If you want me Osage friend, this one want me Osage. But I forget when we say, oh, they talk on that. Wait till they talk. Now I make all those women when they say pure water, they fool everywhere. Yes. Prick. Cassava. Oh, I talk on that thing. Oh, I talk on that. Oyibo that they get where that they do phone. If you see Oyibo now, they talk of prick, vagina, breast, everything today. They will laugh. If they don't laugh, they don't drop that matter. They will get another matter again. Bring and come. When you are saying the good things, some people they are here saying penis, cassava, ashawo, this one. You people, you don't make sense. You are just fooling yourself. That is why I don't read bad comments. I always write comments on Uji, because Uji don't know what he's doing. My people, let me introduce myself. I have a first child. Then the mother, blah blah blah. Oh, let me just go to the point. Let me hit the nail for the head. Let me hit the nail for the head. Okay, Kukuma, let me use pidgin English. What did you they use before? Other pidgin English they will won't use. Not be the same pidgin English they you use good English. You are saying that people they are all dropout. You are the dropout one. Are you educated? You tell me you enter secondary school. You finish your secondary school. You even finish your secondary school self. When stupid people make una they do it because they say now where bad people dey. Now they for born king. Where bad people they wo beje ni ada ye bi oje. Awe ke nu danje ke na ba beje ba na bi ogie. E ke na wa ba beje ke no danje ba na bi oba. They say the pot when they take they do agidi, e black for your body, but the agidi when you they carry come out for inside, e white. Yes, e white. No matter how that pot go agidi pot go black rich. If you won't carry agidi come out, it's still white like up. Now where bad person then are there for born king. Yes. One I go talk. If bad person not there, Jesus Christ, if for not there, God for not send Jesus Christ come because you not bad. Now make God send Jesus Christ come. And Jesus Christ do rich, you not still kill him. But this one can be one to work can we up a sickness. Now go be na portion. Yes, while you cure sickness, if you not going to treat that sickness, now that sickness on our confess, that will you move that your eye very soon. You go lost time. You don't already lost time. You don't decay, remain small bar. Whether your eye go can't finish. You must talk. If you not talk, people will not say that day now when you can't do me avert. Lovely is this. Lovely is a single mother. Lovely is a useless woman. Lovely not the husband house. Lovely driving husband. I can't get more friend requests. Who be that lovely? Who be that lovely? Who be that lovely? No sense. One love, my brother. One love. No, make them sit down. It don't know. Now where bad person dey? Now they for born king, abi. Now where bad person dey? Now they for born oba. They say now where bad person dey? They will say this village no good though. Every day women see they born for the village. Abi people see they come. No matter how village go wicked rich. They not just wicked rich. The wicked people when they village not just wicked rich say the villagers they go run the village for them. Now lie. They say no matter how what did they call her? Snake go full side bush rich. He not tell you say you not go farm. I beg you, not change that topic. Those people when they put this, you see this man say I've been abroad for so many years. I see what this guy is doing is fake. I was watching him. I said, don't watch again. You said it's fake. Then why are you watching? Why are you jealous? You can't even do that. Can you stand 1 hour in Nigeria sun? Nigeria sun, can you stand it for 1 hour? You can't stand it. And that when they donate money, you don't give it to the person they donate the money for. What if somebody need half of that money? Maybe that person's life is in danger. There is some people that when you go to hospital, there is some people, patients, you will see some. The doctor will say, please, I will run this operation first before I run your own, because this one operation, maybe when you leave it for 1 hour, like appendix is not something where they rush well do. Just if you leave am for seconds, you go burst. If you leave am for seconds, you go burst. Okay, let's say for example now, I reach Nigeria, I enter hospital. I see people when they sick. Okay, how much be your operation? You go say, now 1 million. The second one, how much be your operation? You go say, now 200,000. May I go take for inside that 1 million? I go take 200,000 for inside that 1 million. Just and take pay the second person. You not go fit save. You not go fit lose 2 lives at a time. You must save one. Yes, you must save one. You know, doctor say the money is there. Why be say if you go hospital sometimes, you get the time when I do operation then. When we dey there, when we dey inside that district that day, we plenty when they do operation. Now the one way remain small way be say it don't too ripe. Now that they first they carry they go. Or the body already see am. Why carry the money? If I give the money to one person now, what if another person then will be say his sickness is serious past the second one? You're not going to give that one the money. When we say this one, they say in 1 hour's time, if you don't do this operation, we are going to lose him or her. Or the second one, you can do this operation. Even tomorrow, you can do this. Then that 1 hour's time now, with tomorrow, who not going to prefer pass? Who want live life now? This one is 1 hour. I have just 1 hour to live on this earth. And the second one, I have today and tomorrow to live. That is 24 hours. We have to save that one that have 1 hour left to live. No, you don't see this sometimes. No, Murphy, I don't rest my case. You are not trying, You are not trying. You have to quit. Please look for another thing to do. And stop this you are doing. It's not good. You can't stop it. I don't know why you piss up yourself. So are you going to tell me that your mind don't judge you? See people that are sick. See people that are hungry. People that are dying on the streets. Children that are on the streets crying. Most of them, the pikin na witch. They push their answer because the child is a witch. You see some children, their mother, their father, they don't have father again, they don't have mother. Maybe they stay with their uncle or they stay with their auntie. Maybe before you know, they will push them outside. Do you know how many people that live outside go to Ajegunle today? That is when Ajegunle was formed. People that stay in Ajegunle, the people that owns Ajegunle, they don't live in Ajegunle again. They don't even live in this world again. When you go to Ajegunle today, the children that live in Ajegunle, most of them, they are orphanage children. People pick them up from the streets. When you go to Ajegunle today, when you see some people on the street, people don't say, hey, go Ajegunle now. Ajegunle, they help people like Una. You don't see they will go to Ajegunle. Those kind of things, that is why Ajegunle still exists today because of the people that don't have parents. That is why Ajegunle is still living today because a motherless home, motherless children, fatherless children, they are all in Ajegunle. The people that exist in Ajegunle is people that don't have parents. From there, they'll become a criminal. From there, God will help them. Most of them, they are musicians. Yes. All those musicians when I see today say that they see everybody, they clap, follow them. Most of them, they are pocket pickers. They are all pocket pickers. But today, God answered their prayer. So, if we don't help them, how is people don't help those people to grow up then? They will not grow up to be a pocket picker. At the same time, they will not grow up to be a musician. That is what this guy is trying to do now. He put life into people's life. He says so. When those people grow up tomorrow, now they will become something. Like the guy, like that little guy Abba showed the other time. That guy is walking around, roaming around in the streets of Benin. Nobody care if they live. Is it this guy's son? No. This guy helped this boy. The father came and take this guy away. Then this guy is still on the street. Most of them that the family came to take away, they are not in the street today. Why do you like black flaming? Why do you black flame people? What's this? Mofi, you better stop. It's enough. Okay? Mofi, you stop and find where till you go. They talk and self. They talk and. I bet my people are they go. I want go cook rice. I cook stew. Are they busy? Later now. Yeah, let them learn. Nobody. You cannot tell that guy. Do you know why I love that guy so much? Do you know why I love that guy? I love that guy for one thing. Since I've been doing video because of this guy, I've never called this guy one day. But people will think that, oh, Lovely, they call her. If you ever they call her. Sister Pika, they call her. I've never called him one day. I don't call people so easy. Why will I call? But he's doing the great job. If I have anything to support, I can support. Yes. See a part that day. A part support him. If not true, me I don't know, but I see him. If you can support. If you cannot support, off. If you don't like the video, off. Take off your face there. Yes. What all the time? Want talk. What's that? Once on Saturday, just rich, you don't see say that they eat for there. You don't see some those get hatred. I don't know. Did they want to? Lovely, they talk. If they talk. This one they talk. That one they talk. That is say go friend them. Una not even get sense self. And do you know why I love that boy? You see people that hate this guy. Do you know what? Sometimes, anybody you see that he came out to talk about that boy. He want to talk on that boy's mouth. He wanted the boy say, now so you wanted the do one. If you want to advise people, if you like that program, why can't you do your own? You can see one day when one woman call her, today, you know that as you not there around, tell them they see they cook for them. Because that if that guy their house, neither they show live video. If they cook, if they share food. If that guy not their house, they know they show him. Okay, look at the fair lady with some guys, with some guys that helped that pregnant woman. The guy was not at home, but the fair lady with some guys, they helped that woman up. The woman said, "How much is your goods?" Then they calculate everything. Then the next when this brother went back home, the lady she was there. What did they bother those people? What you now know my brother? You see those people when they use this guy till they do live video, say me that they insult him. Then they call this boy because this boy know they give them ear talk put. Now it made them they boss. See you usually say, I want to tell now why if they talk about this boy. You know get what you want to. You two they talk like you are the most lie. I've never seen somebody that lie the way Uji lie. Uji can phone talk. You phone talk too much, you lie too much. I don't know why people believe you. For me, I don't believe you. Now, all those people when they insult and say the one when they darkness. When they darkness before, they insult. That one know why he could they insult that guy that time. The girl, no. Okay, I go give her money, I go call. Rebecca go give her, I go call. 100 people go give you go. No! Not be live video presenter. The way one attend they do live video. I don't be no way to now take that guy. Now you say, I call this one when they do live video. The PT say all those people when they fool themselves for live video when una get 24 hours, una go they call those people because they gossip. That guy, he don't get 1 minute to carry phone. When they looking for your office, he don't get 1 minute to carry phone because they follow you gossip. That one now work. Not be all those one when they do live video when they talk story. All those are if I can't do live video, I want to call the call. Now so that they call me that time. I say, me, come answer now. Tomorrow, now call they insult me. I know they pick phone because I know say they want gossip. They say, now so this guy be. They call this guy. When they say this guy, you know my then they can't come out. They call they insult him. I lie. Una wait there, they look me. I lie. Most of them, not all of them now. Most of them come say that they call her. The way they call all the old live video presenter. They don't know say it all work. Now another special work when God say make it can't do. Now if they do not be live video presenter. You can call me now. I feel follow you stay for like 30 minutes. Because I don't get what they do something. I don't feel follow you stay for line. Wait till I don't follow you they talk. Even if I do my live video, some people they call me. I know they pick. Wait till you won't talk. Now so they want to do a side gear. They call her. They say the boy no mind them. Now they come out. Na fake. It no good. We they see what they do. They say now where pan one tapa type pan wine. The day when you go carry and come out for up, you must take small test time. Abi pan one tapa. Pan one tapa no pan one type where you go type one. You go type wine. You go say he don't climb up carry the wine come down. He don't test and whether the wine is sweet. Why the guy no go take for the money? Why he no go take? You know they use his strength. You know they use his strength. Even when Jesus Christ came, people they give Jesus Christ something. People they honor Jesus Christ. People they do dinner wait for Jesus Christ. People they give dinner wait for Jesus Christ. Now because say you want to follow now. Some men, useless men, when people say they are procos, they use and sit down, they gossip. Fellow man like una go Nigeria. He got the help. You can sit down. If you must they do live video, you can sit down. Because they put opinion. That man, you have never. If you have a wife, I reject to marry that kind of man. Kai, I say a man gossiping about your fellow man. So you don't have something to do with your life. It's so painful. It's so painful. He dey take for the money. He dey take for the money. He no build school. How much you want to build school? Una president. Una Babangida. See, I say Babangida will not be you. Waiting that they call am. Una the Buhari wanna take the shout. Una this see anytime when be say they give throw to Benin citizen. He must scatter those states. Lucky Benin just fake is scatter around. This one when he come so, he scatter around everywhere. Water. But how they use the money do better thing? I dey ask myself sometimes say whether na God will create abroad, whether na the same God na create Nigeria. I dey ask myself. See women. Women cloth don't tear for their waist. Man na go village. The one where the guy go feel help. You go feel help. Even the one where even help last year. If you still meet them today now, they still remain because the money when they want later now they go they use the money till they buy cloth. They go find party when they want go. Now they kill them all. Most of those women when they sell pure water, most of them they get business so they do competition with some mothers when they abroad when their children go just run enter inside market buy lace buy everything send go give their mama. Then the one where they Nigeria they say easy me burn him. I mean want use cloth take boast for. I don't mind if I sell 2 cup of rice I'll go use and take buy cloth. Now he cost some. I want to show my marriage when in the way when you know fit rich. You there for abroad. Man when he spend years for Obodojibo. He relocate go house. Go they do this kind of job. If you are a man, you know what so say so man they get sense like this. He relocate. Even he said that why the man not go make money. Even this Europe when they so. All the organization when the people when they work for that they get money. They are the rich people. Especially people when they work for all those immigration office. If you see how whether they ride, it make they get money where. Man like you relocate, go ask. So you are not ashamed of yourself. So you will on your live video, you'll be watching your fellow man. How he's progressing. Happy poor people. You know, tears no even come on for eye. Say now your fellow man like this, now they do this one so. Because they put opinion for Uji. I thought say this man. So you want follow Uji, they drop that brain. So men for Europe now, what your sage they do now? They want do one. I don't want to mention Bros again. Now Bros now they call her now. I don't want to mention his name again. What the Bros that they do now? So guys want to do one, but they don't know the way when they want to enter. He get one guy when me with him talk that day. Then the guy got to say, if you want to enter now, people go say, why you know they do one before? Not say my sister. If you go feel enter, do that thing. Go do one. This world is plenty. It plenty. Do the one you can be able to do and leave the rest. If you not like say una be 100 for a those state today una dey do one. It no consign bros. Bros not already dead there. Before you even know that process go even dey tell people say una come join though so that me will take help. Now small. But some people go dey talk say if you want come go now people no go talk say if they jealousy now make can come do one. If you want to go do. Even me when they talk, if I have the opportunity, if I can start that thing that guy is doing, I will do it also. Yes. Even the hookup, when they do that day, I see they do the hookup. I will soon start. Now there I know say Nigeria people. There be people will be say you go carry the light down. Some of the inside. You will carry K, you will take the flog their nyash. Some still they do like small picking. A man of 45 years, 48 years, you see they do like small picking. Now it make me talk say, I like Idare more than the old men wey dey here. Idare know wetin he want. All those men wey dey here, when they give women belle, they go, they use women take turn to single mother. They'll call they sort single mother. Where the men, they just they dash their blood, they go. Meke, makan. Man go, 5 women go born for 1 man. You know, go marry those 5 women. Who come bad? Now the single mother. Now the single mother when una dey talk, when una dey make una dey insult single mother say the woman he born for 1, he born for 2, he born for 3, he born for 4. So people they get low brain. When they fall in love, man fit come deceive them. They're not gonna go forget the one way happened to them before. I beg you, Uji, you know they talk. You they dumb blast. Now rubbish you they talk. Your brain they leak. Man, go and look for a life. I write it on your comment. They say, lovely, you cannot even write self. Lovely, you can. You know how to write. You are writing with pidgin English, where I write with good English. See what way they write. Stupid, nonsensical your viewers. Whether they live for bread, jealousy people. Now the thing say the boy will come. Now call this a take Rob Grant. As now they use some people take Rob Grant for inside live video. The Monica with the Lolo. Now they say na in Osasi, na in Bros B. As now call they use a part the Rob Grant that time. They say na so it be. If they want to, they say na lovely. Na I carry them for ground. No carry them for ground. I tell them say no be so that they do one. No be so that they do one. They scatter. My brother no dey there. If my brother dey house, even if say my family they need money, the one when I fit go give, I go give. And they don't even care, say they don't need money, that they work on their own. If we go work for ya, I want to look more. You just say all of them just now. I read pity for those women. I read pity. I say, what kind of life is this? What's this? When I was growing up, women don't behave like this. How many times will I use it to do live video? When you see set of women, then they are going to hospital. They are pregnant. They are going to, what do you call it? Maternata. They are going to maternata. They will dress up. They will use powder to rub their this thing. They go, they chop mango, they go, they chop fruit, they go. You see, all those ones, if they go that maternata come, they'll so free enter house, so free cook, wait for their husband. Their husband go work. They'll so free cook, wait for their husband. They'll so free sit down for that tree. They will they break melon with their fellow pregnancy friends. They'll call they break melon. So will call they say, I they do this yo before my husband will come. That one will say, I they go her so the melon when we two break, me and Kuku go use and take Kuku. That they help each other then. You see, women, they are very beautiful. They will call use that tions If you not still remember that tears, now that paint, they'll come take paint their nails, they'll come wear slippers, you'll come see them with that. You know, say when woman they pregnant, oh, your body will come fresh, your nails go come fine. I was just sit down that and suffering, they look then. How will they look then? Their nails will come fine with that tears. They'll come paint their hand, they'll come fine, they'll come wear this thing, wear spaghetti, don't come tie up and use pad that they rub. They'll come do things, all of them will come say, okay, I want to go cook. Oh. You come now we pregnant women when they see now the one when they carry pure water, they carry belly go long, that they push wheelbarrow they will carry pure water for head. As they push wheelbarrow reach for Nigeria, as people push wheelbarrow reach for Nigeria, they all they push wheelbarrow they go carry water on top of their head or carry another load on top of their head, and people push wheelbarrow reach. Those men when they marry the women will not be husband abuse. Una be marriage abuse. Una be wife abuse. Those men. They are wife abuse, marriage abuse. Una they use marriage they tire person. If you marry that kind of marriage, I kiss Chris. Me when we say I like enjoyment. I can't carry water, go the hawker. Iwa woo. I hope Kukumato say, my husband, since you know if you take care of me, and they go my pass. Even he say my pass 4. I'll go there, go use stick, take stand down. I'll dey farm for village. Me, I don't go fit take am. I go dey sleep for inside mosquito, inside cockroach, inside rat, pot go full everywhere for the same room. Everywhere, me saka. I don't go fit. I beg. Merty. Hey! I don't fit. No. I don't fit. You not going to marry me self. What did they do? I know they do anything. You know they do anything. You be conductor, you won't marry. You be driver, you don't buy your own car. You'll see some driver that are there before they'll marry, they will build house. They don't drive car follow person. They'll go build house for inside that driver when they do, they'll go buy car. You'll see some mechanic. They'll go do mechanic, they'll go build house, even say na 3 room before they will marry. If you see those one now, some men nowadays, they know they even get work safe. They'll all give the woman belly. Abroad even good self, man give you belly for abroad. You run enter any character. You go even your life don't better. Where you want run enter for inside Nigeria, nowhere. And for no fit oh, my people now try to turn I call I no get straight. Only straight when I get the straight when they take they talk. Because I like talk. That straight when they take they suffer, lie. I no go fit. My battery don't weak, my people are they go, now one love.